Hi guys, hope you're all having a good relaxing weekend or day. Depends whenever you're watching it. I was feeling just so claustrophobic inside the house. I decided to just take a break from everything um, and came up the hills. मेरे घर के पास ना थोड़ी ऐसी घर से अबाउट 15-20 minutes दूर ऐसा there's a hilly spot, so I just came here. Of course there is litter also somewhere here and there, but there's a lot of greenery, lots of birds chirping, and you see it's just so pretty. uh, some noise of course, but see, it's very important to take a break. So what I usually do is, when I can't go anywhere, can't do much, I just open my window, stand at the window, look out, and do a lot of deep breathing. नेचर कनेक्ट से मुझे बहुत सुकून मिलता है, एंड it makes me feel really calm and sort of back to being okay again. I struggle with different mental health issues, yes, but who doesn't यार. हर किसी को stress, anxiety कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही है ना. So for me, I don't usually look at the phone much. WhatsApp वगैरह पे भी मैं हार्डली कभी होती हूँ. Social media chats and all that stuff तो I never do. My way to connect, to rewind, connect with myself, I mean, to rewind and to actually be able to sort of get my senses back, my head back, is to block out all the noise and the shore of the gadgets and just take a break from everything, take a pause. I wish I could have come here early in the morning, but I was just feeling very, very lazy. So yeah, these days I've started to go for my walks a little bit. Earlier I used to do my 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers every night. Honestly, अभी नहीं हो पा रहा है. But I'm starting to do a bit of it now, and I want to get back to connecting more with nature again, where there are less people, at least जहाँ मुझे कोई ना जानता हो, no one knows me, so that I don't have to get into the hi, hello, how are you kind of small talk, big talk, whatever talk. I don't want to. So yeah, that was just a small video I wanted to make. Sorry, a big car passing by, it created a lot of noise, so I hope you guys are doing okay. I just anytime you feel like it's getting too much, please take a break, do something that makes you feel relaxed, and don't stress too much, don't worry yaar. And if you ever need to talk or vent, please feel free to maybe if you want, you can, I don't know, can you message me on YouTube? Messaging ऐसा तो नहीं होता होगा. I don't think there is an option, but you can drop a comment here, and then we can reach out, and or you can just talk about it here in the comments if it's okay. But don't give up यार. अभी तो I know things are still not back to normal that we knew, but it will be. थोड़ा time लगेगा, but it's okay. I think nature also needed this time to recuperate and come back, and probably we'll be able to create that balance. So yeah, stay stay careful, be careful, hang on, don't worry, We are all in this together. It's stressful, yes. It's really, really stressful. Very sure. I think I'll do a video on. Sorry about that. Very soon, I will try and do a video on my mental health story and what I do to, take care of myself, my mental health, and what helps me. And I'll talk about it from a very, very personal point. So please bear with me on that. Those will be things that have helped me, and also things that have gone wrong, and what you should be careful of if you are going to take care of your mental health and talk to someone about it. What all things you should be wary of, careful of, and avoid, because I have made some big mistakes. I don't want anyone to face what I did. So yeah, I will share about that. Do keep watching. If you like, you can subscribe. And see my boots. If you like, you can subscribe. Otherwise, you can just come back when you feel like it. And yeah, see, this is what I'm cute now. Bye, guys. I love you guys so much. I actually miss you all when I don't come here and talk. It's really nice of you guys to be here for me. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. A lot of young boys creating a lot of noise in this beautiful spot. I don't know why they have to do this, but yeah. Anyways, what was I saying? I totally forgot. Yeah, I was saying that thank you so much for being here for me. You guys don't realize it, but you being here, coming over, passing by, dropping a comment means so much to me. It helps me so much, makes me feel really, really happy and nice and special. So thank you for doing that for me. Sorry, again, lots of kiddies around. I'll just say bye to you guys. One sec.